同款甲健康有关系消息，伫美国纽约有一阵侪伙人，最近因开始接触椅仔顶的瑜伽了后，因拢认为讲安尼运动比较加较安全，嘛较袂受伤。根据研究，侪伙人若是练瑜伽，对筋脉训练也有平衡是真有帮助。而且上班族清早都爱坐咧、屈掉咧，一天若是会当做5分钟椅仔顶的瑜伽，嘛是一种袂歹选择。
对教练的指导，学员伸展身体做瑜伽，毋过详细看，因拢是坐伫椅仔，这是最近受到老大人欢迎的椅仔瑜伽。
You're stretching your whole body. I mean, you're getting all the joints at one point or another. And also, what you can do in a chair is that it's a little bit more forgiving on the knees and on the hips. So as you age, it allows you to get into positions that you were doing standing with the use of the chair and then being able to really do the pose without hurting yourself.
这学生已经特别80岁，伊甲几个女性过去都是真爱瑜伽，即嘛年岁较大，介绍椅仔瑜伽，毋但袂受伤，也可能加强脚的筋脉力甲平衡。
I took it up because I have osteoporosis. And the chair yoga is much easier. You don't have to worry as much about falling and breaking anything. Not everything. It is not as difficult as I thought it would be, but it's not easy. And you really do use your muscles. It's an excellent workout.
瑜伽运动起源伫5000多年前的印度，伊当时有修复心灵甲身体锻炼的运动。过去20年，瑜伽伫美国大流行，椅仔瑜伽同款受到欢迎。根据美国疾病管制甲预防中心数据显示，2021年练习瑜伽的18岁以上大人比例是16.9%，其中18岁到44岁女性占上悬。教练龚胜潮表示，希望男性也来上课兼练习。
In group classes in general, whether it was an exercise group class, you know, a weight-bearing class or yoga, you tend to see more women. Women tend to be more group-oriented. I would love to see more men in class. I do have a few. I don't know if they're intimidated, but you know, it's a great way to meet women if everybody's single.
过去常常教老人练做伙，其实椅仔瑜伽真温和，适合大部分的人，尤其是坐真久的上班族，佫较需要这种随时应做的运动。教练就建议每日做5分钟的椅仔瑜伽，比每礼拜做一摆1点钟，效果较好。上重要是马上就开始。
Start, and if you want to start where you can really feel like you're confident and in control, start in a chair.
公司新闻电视台朋友。